Ivy's Adventure Palace.
Hi, I'm Ivy, and this is my mom. Today I'm going to be making a Stuva IKEA Loft Bed with a hack. A hack is when we do something different to the bed. I'm going to do something different of what the instructions said to make the bed even better.
So we've opened boxes 1 and 2, and these are our parts so far. Boxes 1 and 2 only have 1 booklet of instructions and 1 bag of tools inside a box. These are going to help you complete the bookcase and / closet or drawers if you want. And this is your 1 booklet of instructions to complete that entire process.
Of the Stuva bed.
And put them together with the third board with the largest holes in it. There's 4 large holes in the corners. And you're going to slide, turn these on their side, and slide it into those 4 holes. 2 on this side, and 2 on the other side. You're going to take these little bolts, you're going to stick them in with the plus sign up, so that when you slide in your other one, you'll use your flathead to twist this in the clockwise position to lock it in. We're on step 4. You can see the 2 sides and the flat one in between. So we've just finished steps 5 and 6, where we take this top piece of the bookshelf and platform to the bed, put the wooden dowels inside, and attach them. On step 7, where we take the wooden dowels, insert them, and attach them here to the board. And then you take your screws and enter them here using your tool. Step 9 is for bookshelves, the shelving unit. In step 4, insert this windmill into this circular hole. However, if you turn it upside down, it will not work and the wrench won't fit. So this is the side that is the right side up.
Okay, so I'm going to put these little white circles onto here. And I'm going to do the other one, which is right here.
So we're on step 5. And in step 5, you're going to take the rails and attach them to this panel. Now this rail has 2 size holes. On one side, you don't have as many holes as on the other one. And that can be a little bit confusing, but you want to make sure you line up these holes to the holes on the panel. And then you know you've got the right side of the rail. Don't jump the gun and use the side with less holes, because then you'll need to redo this whole step. Instead of placing the 2 pegs in the 2 holes like the instructions say, you're going to shift slightly left. You're only going to place the farthest peg into the first hole. Here we go. So here we are. Here are the 2 pegs. This is the farthest peg going in the first hole, and the second hole is over there. So you'll go ahead and secure that in. You'll no longer need the second peg. Okay, so you'll do the same for this following panel on the opposite side. Just slide it over the last peg to the first hole. Step 19 is one of the steps we will be skipping in order to complete a successful hack. Step 19 is being skipped because the 2 pieces that you're being told to connect will not connect, since we've extended the bed by shifting it to the left. So this space will be now open and these 2 pieces will no longer connect. We've extended it to allow for a space down below, which can fit the twin size bed. We'll also be skipping steps 20, 21, 22, and 23. It calls for the installation of this bar, and as you can see, it will not be reaching. So this is the other step that piece you'll no longer need, and the other step that you'll be skipping. Continuing on to step 24, you'll be installing the guardrail panel right here. This is step 25, installing this bulb. Step 26 is installing the paneling boards that will hold up the twin mattress. Step 27, 28, and 29 all relate to the ladder. And then when you get to number 32, that will be a step that you have to skip due to the hack and modification that has happened. I do have a little hint for you here though, maybe a pointer, and that would be for these stickers. My suggestion to you would be to place them closer to the edge. So the edge is beveled and there is a small curve there. That's where I started placing my sticker, on that line, so that the toes don't slide off. When you place the sticker dead center in the middle of the step, then there is still slippage for the kids. It doesn't tell you where to place your sticker. I tried it and I didn't like it in the middle, so I moved it to the edge and I tried it again, and I felt like I had a more secure grip when climbing the ladder for my girls.
Thanks for watching our How to Hack an IKEA Stuva Loft Bed. Make sure to watch our next video where we make this play kitchen out of the boxes the bed came in.
And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.